Hello, I'm your college cook, and this is meal 5, finale to my series where I use an entire chicken to make multiple meals. Guess 5 was the total amount. I'll probably do this again for other meals too, but damn, this was fun and cost efficient. One $6 chicken and $25 worth of groceries was enough to make 5 different meals. That is insane to say out loud. For our final meal, we're gonna make some pan-fried chicken and some pan sauce to go alongside it. I let my chicken defrost overnight, so all I gotta do is prepare my aromatics for the sauce. I like to do the aromatics first, so I can just dunk everything in while cooking. For the pan sauce, all you'll really need is minced shallots and garlic. But I don't have any shallots, so I'll use a regular onion, which should be fine, I hope. Oh my god, this garlic was not fat, it was just many micro pieces. I still hate mincing. And there you go. I'm also going to chop up some cilantro to have some green in here. And to get rid of the cilantro I bought for the enchiladas 4 videos back. A good trick for greens, any greens, is to roll it up and then begin cutting it. It cuts more of it much faster. I'm also getting half a lime for now, which I'll be using later, just to have it on standby. Now that that's done, I'll start to prepare my chicken breast. All we're gonna do is season them with salt and pepper. And some garlic powder, because I love garlic. All you need is salt and pepper, but I just love garlic. Usually to cook, I'd set my pan first to heat up while preparing my meats, but I was told to place the chicken down while the pan is cold to crisp up the skin more and to burn any fat that the breast may hold. Now I've never heard of this, but it sounds fancy, so I'll believe it. Lightly drop some oil and place your chicken down skin side down. Chicken takes about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, so leave it on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. Be careful though, since leaving it for too long can make the chicken dry. Now, I didn't flatten out the chicken earlier, so I gotta do this. It looks kinda funny, to cover all the parts of the chicken to evenly cook it. Next time I'll probably flatten it out. Once the chicken is ready, place it down to the side and we'll begin making our sauce. Your first step is to drop in your minced onion and garlic. In the same pan, same temperature, we don't want to clean it. We want that chicken residue in our sauce. After stirring for a few minutes, I'm going to add in some of the chicken stock we made in the last video. We'll also put some all-purpose flour for some thickness. White wine is also used for pan sauces, but I'm not old enough to buy wine, so I'm gonna make mine without it. If you want to add it to yours, go for it. But for this video, I can't, sorry, I can't add it. Once that is mixed in, it's time to add in some butter. Oh my god, look at the color change when adding the butter. That was beautiful. God, it smells so good. Pan sauce only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to cook, so this should be a quick thing to do. At the very end of cooking it, add in your greens and some lime juice to mix it in. In retrospect, I added too much greens. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. Pick up your sauce and pour it onto your chicken. Some places pour the sauce on the side, but I want to cover the whole thing. Okay, on camera it doesn't look the very best, but trust me, in person it looks really good, and it smells so good. All that's left now is to try it. Oh my, it's so good. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helped you out, even if just a little bit, with making some pan-fried chicken, making some sauce for it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.